precious family, welcome back to Ahobrasia Kitchen. Happy Valentine in advance. Today we're making a special, tasty, delicious drink called Sangria. Hola mi amor. We have our oranges here. We have lime and the orange, we have blood orange, and we have some apples and strawberry for garnishing, and sugar, cranberry, and sparkling water. So I'm making syrup for the drink. So I'm using drinking water. You add your sugar. You stir it till the sugar dissolves. The oranges, I'm gonna leave this one for later, and one of the lime for later. So I put it here. Using okay, so that's the blood orange. We're gonna squeeze everything. Gonna combine. I squeeze all the oranges. I did the cutting, so now we pour in the red orange. That's what I got. Then we pour our orange too. 1 cup. You don't even have to measure it. Cranberry. Stir everything together. Now our syrup. And the taste how you want it. The sweetness. Okay. You see how beautiful it is. It tastes so good. And so in this case, if you are not ready to use it, you can put it in the fridge for it to chill. Then when your visitors arrive, then you add your orange and the rest of the. So I'm going to add mine now. Okay. Our drink is ready. Yeah, Beno. Wow, shit. Oh, my. Smell is so yummy. Ooh. Yes, this is fruit one. Hearts icy. Akoma ejo.